Hey guys, today we're gonna be packing for my upcoming work trip. I got a lot of stuff going on. I'm gonna show you everything from clothes and outfit ideas, shoes, makeup, jewelry, accessories, everything. So let's do it. So we're gonna start with work pants. I have like an eggplant purple that are really pretty. So we're just gonna lay these out. And then a black. I love this jacket, so pretty. Will go good for like over top because the meeting rooms are always cold. And then I think I'm gonna either do a long sleeve or like this silky top. So I'm gonna bring both because I'm not sure yet. And then we're gonna do this really pretty, look at how pretty that color is. I love that. Green top with the black pants. Gotta do a black blazer. And then this really pretty purple. And I think that's it for the work clothes. Do one more pair of stretchier pants. I love these. I got these from Express probably a year or two ago. Super stretchy. They come in like small, medium, large, extra large, and they're so comfortable. So I'm gonna be putting these in the bag. So I'm just gonna fold everything now and get ready to pack it into the bag. And then we're gonna move into some more casual outfits that I need and stuff like that. So a little trick I like to do is I like to take my shirt, especially if it's like a more slippery shirt, and put it in between the pants and then fold it over. It just kind of holds it in place. And then sometimes I bring with me my little portable steamer. That helps a lot too. And then of course, I always bring a little travel lint roller. That's a must. One of these outfits I'm actually wearing there, so we won't have to pack it, which will be super saving. And then also the blazer I'm gonna be wearing there, so I'm not gonna be packing this. And packing is literally my least favorite thing to do. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely hate packing. Hate it. Business outfits are set. I'm gonna go grab some more casual stuff. 2 nighttime outfits. So we're gonna go with these jeans. I'm gonna bring a couple of tops, so we're gonna go with this one. And then I just need a cami for underneath. I'm gonna do a sweater because I feel like it's always cold inside restaurants. And then just a black pair of jeans. Pajamas, these are so comfortable. I got them from Target. They're the brand Just Love. They were inexpensive, but just so soft and comfortable. I'm gonna slide everything over. So I can fit everything in the bag. All right, I got this big open space. We're gonna move on to makeup. So I have a lot of my makeup already laid out in here. So I'm gonna grab a bunch of stuff from in here and then also from the bathroom where I keep all of my makeup. This is just kind of where I like film and get ready in here. I'm just gonna grab a couple of things that I know I wanna bring kind of in between foundation shades. So I'm gonna grab everything and then bring it in the bedroom. All right, I think we have everything. So let's just pack it up. Everything pretty much fits in here. I didn't want to have to bring all this stuff, but I'm just trying to use up what I have because not everything matches me right now. I have to add in one more like peachy blush combo because I'm a sucker for blush. So that is everything for the makeup. I lied. I'm gonna do one more, like more peachy color in case I wanna get crazy. All right, that's it. We're done. All right, let's do makeup brushes. Yes, a lot of them are dirty. And no, I don't care. I will clean them when I get back because I've been using them. So we got like all the face brushes. Just wanna make sure I have everything. What am I missing? We have concealer brushes, foundation, powder, and then I have my little sponge. Then all of my eye brushes, little detail brushes, bronzer, liquid blush, blush powder, bronzer brush. I think that's everything. We'll make it work. Because I've just been using like all of the colors that I'm packing anyway this past week. So there's really no point. And I'm not huge on beauty blenders. I much prefer regular brushes. So we're good there. For shoes, I'm gonna keep it simple. I totally forgot. So we're gonna do these and we're gonna do a pair of tan and then these black Sam Edelman. They're kind of like faux suede, super comfortable. All right, I got everything laid out now. Just doing simple jewelry. I'm not huge on necklaces, honestly. I probably won't even wear it. Band-aids, I always get blisters. And then I'm just trying to be very simple. It's tough. So I might pare down some of this. I always put my shoes in bags because I just think it's nasty not to. And then I always put like undergarments and stuff or hair stuff in this section. Just makes it easier. This outfit I'm gonna be wearing there, so I don't need to pack it. I literally think packing is the worst. Like, it is the least fun thing to do, especially if you have like decision-making issues, like I do. I tend to overthink everything and then I'm paralyzing myself with the decision of what I'm doing, and it takes so long. Like if it was someone else, I could pack for them in 2 seconds, but I'm always just overthinking every little decision. I'm sure some of you can relate. This is like the tiniest suitcase. I really don't know how people do it. I'd use the packing cubes, but this is only like a 3-day trip. But the problem is I need like a day outfit and a night outfit. The blazers are tough to fit, that's for damn sure. I'm just gonna randomly start packing everything. I like to use plastic bags so that if something leaks, it doesn't make a mess. But basically I have all my skincare, I have my retainers, I should have showed you guys, but like face stuff. I love these little minis, so that's cleanser, love this, it's my favorite. And then I have both of the e.l.f., the moisturizer, and the makeup cleanser, which I love. These are the minis. My contact stuff, vitamins, medicines, some eye drops, and then I'll pop baby wipes and makeup removing wipes. And then I also always bring wet ones and sanitizers, especially when I'm staying in a hotel. I like to wipe things down. It just grosses me out. I'm gonna put my hair stuff in this bag. So slick back comb, travel comb. Love this. This is like the got to be glued. Just pushes back the flyaways. I need to run to Ulta and grab a little travel hairspray because I don't have that. Dry shampoo. This one's like almost done. That's why I have the other one. Q-tips. Actually, we'll put the Q-tips in here. Lint roller and the hair clip. I'm gonna bring a curling iron, even though I'll probably use it for like a quick touch up. And then for perfume, I'm only gonna bring one. And I decided on the new Rare Beauty. It is delicious. It smells so good. And I love that it has a little lock feature. And when I bought it, they shipped it with this. This was free. So it'll be nice because it like protects it. And then I'm also gonna put my jewelry in here. There's like little pockets. So I'm just gonna go real simple with the jewelry. Do like a cuff, a watch. Some of this I'll actually wear just to make it easier. And I brought just basic little cuff earrings and then a few different rings. So that's it on that. It seems super light. And then in this bag, I'm gonna pack like socks and sneakers, and then I guess we'll do my makeup. And then in here, I'm gonna do a pair of socks and then some underwear. I have a packing list that I made a while ago. It just makes it easier. I like to check stuff off and then highlight what I still need. I'm gonna bring leggings, a t-shirt, just in case I have some time to like walk. And then I have my socks and my sneakers. Ooh, that's heavy for this little bag. So in here, we're gonna do makeup brushes. Like I need my own bag for all my makeup. It's ridiculous. And then like sneakers, sunglasses will go in there too. This little sucker's deceivingly heavy. All right, I'm ready to get out the door. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.